You've been grinding, eating less, moving more, saying no to your favorite foods and sweating it out at the gym. But the scale? It's not budging. Or worse, it's going up. And you're sitting there thinking, what the heck am I doing wrong? Here's the hard truth. You're probably making the number one mistake almost everyone makes when trying to lose fat. And no, it's not about eating too many carbs or skipping the gym. It's something far more sneaky, and it's sabotaging your results without you even realizing it. Let me break it down for you, because once you fix this, everything changes. You've heard it a million times, calories in, calories out, so you slash your calories. Maybe you're eating 1,200 calories a day or even less. You're hungry, tired, and cranky, but you tell yourself it's worth it because the fat will melt off, right? Wrong. Here's what's really happening. When you cut your calories too low, your body freaks out. It doesn't know you're trying to look good for summer. It thinks you're in a famine. So, it does what any smart survival machine would do. It slows down your metabolism to conserve energy. That's right, you're eating less, but your body is burning fewer calories too. It's like trying to drive a car with the parking brake on. You're working harder, but you're not getting anywhere, and it gets worse. Extreme calorie restriction messes with your hormones. Your thyroid, the master regulator of your metabolism, slows down. Your cortisol, the stress hormone, goes up, which tells your body to hold on to fat, especially around your belly. And your hunger hormones like ghrelin go into overdrive, making you crave all the foods you're trying to avoid. So what happens? You feel miserable, you're starving all the time, and your weight loss stalls. And then, because you're human, you eventually crack. You eat more than you planned, feel guilty, and the cycle starts all over again. Sound familiar? Here's the secret. You don't need to starve yourself to lose fat. In fact, eating enough is the key to sustainable fat loss. Your body needs fuel to function. It needs energy to power your workouts, repair your muscles, and keep your hormones balanced. When you give it the right amount of food, your metabolism stays strong, your energy levels stay high, and your body becomes a fat-burning machine. So, how much is enough? It depends on your age, gender, activity level, and goals, but a good starting point is to calculate your maintenance calories, the number of calories you need to maintain your current weight, and then subtract 300 to 500 calories. That's a moderate deficit that will help you lose fat without wrecking your metabolism. And here's the best part. You get to eat real food. No more surviving on lettuce and protein shakes. You can have carbs, fats, and even the occasional treat, because balance is what keeps you sane and consistent. Now let's talk about the other side of the coin, over-exercising. Maybe you're not cutting calories too low, but you're spending hours at the gym every day, crushing yourself with cardio and heavy weights. And sure, you're burning calories, but you're also burning out. Here's the thing, exercise is stress on your body. And while some stress is good, it's what makes you stronger and fitter, too much stress is a problem. When you're constantly pushing yourself to the limit, your cortisol levels spike, which, you guessed it, tells your body to hold on to fat. Plus, overexercising can lead to fatigue, injuries, and burnout. And when you're exhausted, you're less likely to stick to your routine. It's a vicious cycle. You don't need to live at the gym to lose fat. In fact, shorter, more intense workouts can be just as effective, if not more, than marathon sessions. Focus on strength training. Building muscle is one of the best ways to boost your metabolism because muscle burns more calories at rest than fat. And don't forget about recovery. Rest days are just as important as workout days because that's when your body repairs and rebuilds. And here's a pro tip. Add more movement into your daily life. Walk more, take the stairs, stretch while you're watching TV. These little things add up and keep your metabolism humming without overloading your body. Here's the bottom line. Fat loss isn't about extreme measures. It's about consistency. It's about finding a balance that works for your body and your life. You don't need to eat 1,200 calories a day or spend 2 hours at the gym to see results. In fact, those things are probably holding you back. What you need is a sustainable plan, one that fuels your body, supports your hormones, and fits into your lifestyle. So, if you've been working hard but not seeing results, take a step back. Are you eating enough? Are you giving your body time to recover? Are you focusing on progress, not perfection? Because here's the truth. Fat loss isn't a sprint. It's a marathon. And the only way to win is to pace yourself. If this hit home for you, here's your action plan. Calculate your maintenance calories, use an online calculator or app, and aim for a moderate deficit. Focus on nutrient-dense foods, protein, healthy fats, and carbs to fuel your body and keep you full. Strength train 3 to 4 times a week and add in some cardio or movement you enjoy. Prioritize recovery, sleep, stress management, and rest days are non-negotiable. Be patient. Fat loss takes time, but if you're consistent, the results will come. You don't have to suffer to see results. In fact, the less you suffer, the more likely you are to stick with it. So ditch the all or nothing mindset, trust the process, and let's burn this fat the right way. If this video helped you, or if you've ever felt stuck in the cycle of extreme dieting or over-exercising, drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear your story and help you stay on track. And if you're ready for more science-backed tips to crush your fat loss goals, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because every week, we're breaking down the myths, sharing actionable strategies, and turning science into success, one step at a time. See you in the next video.